What if I told you that building a sales funnel could take just minutes? Sounds impossible, right? Well, welcome to the future of marketing with the Sales Funnel and Site Builder Studio. This isn't just another page builder, it's your personal funnel factory. Imagine creating, exporting, publishing, and managing complete funnels without writing a single line of code. Let's break it down. You can create a lead capture page, a thank you page, and even set up automated follow-up emails, all in one go. And the best part? Your leads are delivered straight into your prospect manager, seamlessly and automatically. No more juggling multiple tools. With built-in lead capture forms, every time someone fills out your form, you get instant notifications. The lead enters your prospect manager automatically, and your visitor receives a branded follow-up email. Plus, it's fully compliant with CAN spam regulations, so you can market with confidence. Here's how it works. Step 1, enter your offer URL, whether it's an MLM, affiliate landing page, or any URL. Step 2, customize the look and tone, choose your colors, fonts, and even switch between dark or light mode. Step 3, generate your funnel. Just like that, your squeeze page, thank you page, and email are auto-created. Step 4, export and publish. Upload your zip file to your site in seconds. And guess what? You can manage everything from one powerful dashboard. Want to edit? Just describe what you want and the system does the rest. Are you ready to build unlimited funnels? This system transforms your offer URL into a complete working funnel faster than you can imagine. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and start creating your sales funnels today. Let me know in the comments what you're excited to build first.